Hello, mother truckers. It's me, your girl. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing a drunk voiceover for a video I did when I was sober. Yeah, okay. Anyways, sorry I haven't posted in a long time. I've been busy. Okay. Anyways, for primer, I'm using this product. I forgot the name of that product because I'm too drunk to remember. So yeah. I just rub it all over my face because my face is very oily for some reason. Does anyone know the reason why their skin is the way they is? I don't think so. I don't know. Anyway, so now I'm doing concealer, which is a thing that people do. Oh yeah. I'm going to put it under my eyes and on my... Oh, I'm a man now because I made a mustache. Okay, Now I'm taking my dirty ass beauty blender and blending that shit in because you know how it be. You know how it be. Yeah, I'm just gonna blend it. Blend. Dude, fuck, hurry up. Okay. Anyways, now I'm gonna do my eyebrows because I don't have any, as you can see. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade medium brown. Hell yeah, because I'm a medium brown girl. Get it? Because I'm half Latina. True story. Anyway, next eyebrow. Let's just fill that shit in, you know, because that's how it be sometimes. Just do it. Do it. Fill it in. I don't know how to fill it in. I don't know. I just figured it out. Anyway, now I'm going to contour my face. And, oh, you dumb bitch. Okay. Fix that shit. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, so contour your face. You know how to do it because there's so many beauty gurus on YouTube who teach you how. I would not consider myself a beauty guru, to be honest, because I'm not beautiful. Just kidding. I love myself. Don't worry. So I'm just gonna contour my cheekbones and my forehead because y'all know my forehead is big as fuck. You know how it be. Now I'm gonna do blush, which is a thing that happens also. This is a good blush. It's the Juice Beauty in the color Flush. Look it up. I don't know. Okay, so I'm just gonna dab that into my face using my, again, dirty ass beauty blender. And okay, now I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow. Dude, this thing's moving way too fast for me. I'm too drunk to be keeping up with this. I'm gonna take a dark brown eyeshadow and just like do an eyeliner type of thing onto my face, like a winged eyeliner but for eyeshadow, you feel me, with my small ass eyeshadow brush. Again, what do you mean again? I don't know. I'm going to put all the links to these products and down below when I'm sober because that's not what I am right now. Anyway, I fluff it in using a fluffy brush and then I just like do it, you know. Oh, okay, now it's mascara time. I'm using Covergirl's Clump Crusher mascara. The only reason I remember that is because it's my favorite mascara ever. So, yeah, that's a thing. I'm just gonna put it onto my eyelashes because, like, bitch, how else do you do it? I don't know. There's literally no other way to do it. Just, like, put it on. Also, a lot of people give me shit for putting on what is it called? Mascara before eyeliner. And the reason I do that is because for some reason, for as long as I remember, oh wait, this is highlighter. Okay, highlighter. This is Milk Makeup's holographic highlighter, I think. I'm not entirely sure. Anyway, the reason I put on eye mascara before eyeliner is because for some reason when I put on eyeshadow, or what the fuck is this? The reason I put on mascara before eyeliner is because for some reason every time I put on mascara before eyeliner, it turns out like really great. So yeah, I never put on eyeliner before mascara because somehow it turns out shitty. Oh yeah, here's the eyeliner. Okay, so as you can see, a lot of people comment that I do my eyeliner really well, and this is why. It's because I put on my mascara before my eyeliner. So there's your answer, ladies and gentlemen. That's just how it be sometimes, you know. So yeah, you gotta take it slow and easy because if you mess it up, it'll just mess up your whole look. So you just gotta go slow, you know what I mean? Like, just take your time. Art takes time, as a wise man once said. I don't know what wise man that is, but that's how life is. That's just how it is. I'm gonna keep doing my eyeliner now because that's what I'm doing. That's just how it is. Oh my god. Oh, you dumb bitch. What did you do? There you go. Just wipe it away with your finger because that's the right thing to do. Wipe it away, wipe it away, wipe it away, wipe it away. There you go, there you go, there you go. Yes, 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 yes. Wipe it away. Okay, you're perfect now. Don't worry. Did I say I love myself already? Because I do. I love myself. Okay, this is the NYX Liquid Suede Lipstick. Again, I don't know what shade this is in because I'm too drunk and too lazy to look it up right now. But this is a good lip tone for my skin tone. Oh, there you go, bitch. Yeah, just do that. Oh, the look is done already. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I'm so sorry that I'm a drunk ass bitch, but you guys asked for this, okay? You guys wanted me to do more drunk videos, so I am. And that's what I'm doing. Okay, bye. Whoa, what?